Hi, I'm Ploetz from DataStax, and today I'm going to take you through a short video on how to upgrade a Cassandra cluster within Mission Control. Let's go. So for this particular cluster, you can see I'm using CQL shell to get out here, and this is indeed Cassandra 4.1.3. So if I have a look at the key spaces, let's say use Stack Overflow. I just keep a Stack Overflow key space with a whole bunch of different tables in it as I help people out on stackoverflow.com in the Cassandra tag. But yeah, there's some data out here from collection data. Yeah, I mean it's not terribly meaningful, but it's there nonetheless. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and upgrade this cluster. And just to verify that these are indeed my my cluster inside Mission Control, I can have a look. Here's my my data center of Maple Grove. It's running a Cassandra 4.1.3. And then if I wanted to look at data for the node that I've connected to, I can just do system local. And yep, sure enough, here you go, Cassandra 4.1.3, Big Box Co. Maple Grove is my data center there. Okay, so we're good. This is definitely my cluster. So let's go ahead and get this thing upgraded. All right, so here's my Mission Control dashboard. Let's click into my cluster. You can see that all three nodes are indeed on Cassandra 4.1.3. So let's say modify cluster, and all we need to do is just update that box to Apache Cassandra 4.1.4. We don't need to mess with the rest of this at all, because all we're doing is just upgrading to a minor version number. So 4.1.4, that's all we need to do. And click Modify Cluster. Oh, and it already took down node number 2. What this is doing behind the scenes is running out and grabbing the Apache Cassandra 4.1.4 community image, pulling it in, spinning up a new Kubernetes pod with that image, and reattaching the storage, and we'll probably get a new IP out of the deal, but yeah, it should come back, and we should have Cassandra 4.1.4 on it. Oh, and there it is. Our first node number 2, is upgraded and running. And now you can see node number 1 is next. Oh, there goes node number 1. Okay, 2/3 of the way there. All right, and now it's taking node number 0. Okay, that's the last node. Of course, now that we've upgraded, probably don't need to do this during a a minor version update, but it's not a bad habit to be in. Remember, anytime you upgrade, usually you want to do a node tool upgrade SS tables. So if I say bulk action, and I will say upgrade SS tables, I want that done in all data centers, all racks, and I will just run that. Now, if I fire up my local CQL shell to connect out to my cluster, you can see that I have indeed upgraded that cluster to Cassandra 4.1.4. I can even have a look at the system peers table, and sure enough, 4.1.4, and I should find the same thing in the system local, and I do. So hey, we're done. Cluster's been upgraded to Apache Cassandra 4.1.4. For more information on DataStax Mission Control, just head on out to datastax.com/products/mission control. There you can find all the information you need, including downloads and documentation. Thank you and have a great day.